We'll guide you through how to make a post on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. LinkedIn is a social platform focused all around business. On there, you can go and have connections and you can have followers. So to go and get started, come to the LinkedIn site, and what you can do is go and create an account if you don't already. And what we can then do is go to the top and press home, and then you'll go and see the option for start a post. So here as well, you can go and add media, add something about a job, you can write an article as well. In this case, we're going to do a post, so we'll click there. At the top, you can choose who you're going to be posting to, whether you want to be anyone off or on LinkedIn or just your connections. I'll press back in this case, and then what you can do is type in what you want your post to be, whether it's something of value or an update you want to share. In this case, I'm doing a quote, and you can come to the bottom, you could add an emoji, you can add media, create an event, celebrate an occasion, and there are more options as well. And then when you're ready, you can go to the bottom right and click post, and it'll then be posted onto LinkedIn.